Today's mission is to do a world's first, and the only way that's possible is to either mod your scooter a certain way or ride an upside down scooter. We're gonna warm up and get a session first, but if you wanna skip the session and go straight to the upside down scooter, here's the timestamp, but if not, stick along, let's warm up. Warm up complete, and new website is now live. If you guys are looking for some JR merch for the holidays, or know someone that's a fan, or if you're a fan, you want to grab tank top, t-shirt, or shorts, I finally released that logo on a merch site. It's been, I don't even know, 2 years since I've had that. It's now available. You can click the link in the description. Everything's now live. It's super limited. The logo on that merch is going to be very, very limited, so get your hands on it before the holidays, just in time before it's all gone. Upside down scooter is the only way on my scooter to be able to do this trick. The trick that I already did that was the world's first, was the juggler, and when I did a triple. This is it right here on the screen, and I was able to do 3 of them the day I learned it. And the only way it's possible is to have my deck upside down, or Warren up and Xavier putting a bunch of headset spacers in the bottom, but my fork's not long enough for that. The only way for me to do it right now is to rotate the deck. That way I have more room for my feet. The deck doesn't hit my foot when it comes around for whiplash, and you'll see what I'm talking about. The goal would to be do this again, to try to do this trick that's only possible by doing this. And if I can get it easy, we'll go for the triple again, or just multiple. And if I can get that easy, then we'll do a brand new world's first, which would be Fakey. If I can nail a Fakey juggler, that would technically be a world's first. My scooter's all upside down, but there's no rules. Let's just flip this and see what we got. Springtime flowers. As if this deck was secretly designed to do this. Look, Envy sells a fender that you can put in the bottom, so when you're doing feebles, technically it helps you lock in and slide a little bit. I forgot how much this sucks to stand on it. Now that you see it built, do you understand that if my foot is here, the deck is never going to be in the way, so we can do full rotations all the way around. And that's the point of this video, is to do the juggler. It's a juggler hitchhiker, so you either have to mod it and put a ton of spacers underneath your fork and have a long fork, or flip your decks. Probably the easiest for those who are watching this right now. You don't have the spacers, you can just flip it. I'm gonna do my best to spend the next 5-10 minutes just to get comfortable again. Just because standing on the deck sucks. Feels like you're just gonna loop out every single time, but if we can get the hang of it, we can try to do this juggler once again. Since I have all the room in the world, I can throw it and not have to take my feet off and basically do a whiplash. I was able to do it before. If I can do a Fakey one, that's the real deep goal for today. That sucked. I was fighting the shadow. It's like half shadow, half daylight. And I'm like, shoot, I want to do it before. And then when you rush, it just doesn't work out. But that's the second time I did a triple juggler. And when I first did it, it was a world's first. So this is the second time we're doing this world's first. And I want to do a Fakey. I just think riding Fakey when your deck is like this just sucks. I'm gonna just roll around. I'm not even gonna film. I'm gonna just let you know in a few seconds if I think I can do it, because the beginning part's gonna be the hardest. Just setting up and rolling backwards like this and then somehow landing and half cabbing, that's gonna suck, but we're gonna see. I'm just gonna try a few, but hope you liked the triple juggler again for the second time. Last time I did it was over a year ago, so pretty cool. The only way for this trick to be possible is to have that room where your foot doesn't touch the deck, and obviously we have beyond enough clearance right here, but ideally if there's a deck in the future, let's say AOSV 28, where the head tube can just sit a little lower and we have room maybe like about here, that would be sick, and I think we'd be able to just do that trick. It's the one trick, well, there's a few tricks that you could probably get from this, but for now we need to stick to the regular scoot until the scoots evolve. I think that's what it comes down to. Can't really force the evolution, but for now we can have fun and make YouTube videos and just do random weird tricks on upside down scooters. Hope you liked the video so far. If you have an idea or a trick idea with the scooter upside down other than juggler, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely make that video for you. I just can't process what to do yet because I don't ride like that. So I would have to just play around or just wait for your comments, but see how Fakey works right now, because I don't know. Excuse me, can you play a mass out, please? Ah! No! Come on! Dude, really? Done. Triple juggler and Fakey juggler. An ex world's first and a brand new world's first. I hope to see some of you enjoy the new merch. Subscribe if you want to see more. Good night.